you ready? Are you ready? Oi people, welcome back to Cook and Vibe Season 5. You don't know how the thing set. It's another crazy episode for your eyes. Why? We're there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So you don't know Season 5. We're trying to keep it even more crazier than Season 4. You get me? So today people, Lama. Yep, we're cooking llama in a Chiminea. And we're gonna do a little Jamaican salad and some coleslaw as well. Yeah, zibby. So yeah, it's another mad one, llama. I've got the llama, we've got them in sausage forms. So we've got llama in sausage forms and we've got some chili in them as well. So yeah, llama today people. Why? Yeah. We got Bruce's Butchers, you know. He's got all the mad things, llama and chili. Yeah, there you go, people. Another crazy one. Llama, you know. As you can see, people, I've put some firelighters in there and I've got a little bit of metal that's just giving it a bit of air between that and the coal. And then I've got like a metal thing that goes on top of that. We're gonna put the llama on top of that, yeah, zimmy. Why? Llama cooked in a Chiminea. You know anything, Don't forget to subscribe, people. Otherwise you're gonna lose all your toenails.
People say, if you want your jerk chicken taste like real jerk chicken, like a chicken and soak from Jesus time, get Miguel's jerk yard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a God cookie. It hot?
Yeah, as you can see, it's a kind of bodge up kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? But we've got I've got like a barbecue tray thing on top of these two things here, and yeah, hopefully it will work, you know what I'm saying? The why? Close up our little door. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yes, people, right. So for the salad, this is how we're gonna do it today, right? For our little Jamaican salad. So I've got a red, yellow pepper, cucumber, lettuce, we've got some tomatoes, but we're gonna pick them off the plant in a minute. And what we're gonna do is the dressing is we're gonna use lemon and hot sauce. You get me? That is what we're gonna use to make it the little Caribbean style, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I've done washed my peppers already. So can start cutting and getting them ready. You know what I'm saying? Why people? Yes, people, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Cooking lovely. Look at them, they smell really nice, man. They smell really nice. Llama. No drama. Can we have llama? Yes, people. So, you know, say we try and keep everything, even if we're doing crazy episodes, you know. We try and keep it Caribbean as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? So obviously today, llama. Bit of a mad one. And obviously it's only a salad. But the Caribbean part of today is the dressing for the salad. So we've got everything cut up in there. Like I said, it's the dressing. Now, I learnt this dressing when I was in Barbados. And it was just actually on some cucumber. And I was like, wow, what's that? And it was like, yo, it's just hot sauce and lemon. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's where it started. And ever since then, I've always put that on my cucumber. And we never change. So big up Barbados for that little techers there, you know? So we're just gonna finish off, chop up this red pepper. That's it. So put it all inside there, out of the way. Just give it a nice mix around and get that yellow pepper to the top as well. So we've got all the colours in there. And then, I don't know why I've got mayonnaise there, we don't need that yet. Lemon. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it in the bowl. So we're going to cut the lemon. I like a nice lot of dressing. Some people like a little bit of dressing on their salad. I like a nice bit. So squeeze all that. And they lost a bit there. Squeeze all that lemon on there. There's always a tough half of the lemon and a soft half. Yeah, man. I hope you're enjoying season 5. Feels good to be back. You know what I'm saying? Got loads of wicked stuff for you lined up. Loads of crazy ideas, and definitely gonna start dropping the 2 episodes a week now. So like the episode in a week would be more of a kind of normal episode, like just a you know, something interesting to cook, but more like, you know what I'm saying, not just craziness. You know what it was there, people. So yeah. All right, we've got enough lemon juice there now. So now time for the hot sauce. I would like to use an authentic Jamaican one, usually, but I couldn't get none. So, however much hot sauce you want to put in, I like a nice bit, so it's a good dabble in there. You know what I'm saying? Give that a mix around with a knife. Oh, hot sauce nearly left, that's all right. Mix that around. And then just tip that over the salad. Give it a nice mix around. And yeah, there we have it. Caribbean style salad. Why? So, I am drinking this tea, right? It's called Chamomile, Honeybush and Lavender tea. Okay? And we've got some honey in it. And it is called monofloral. And apparently, the bees only make this honey 3 to 4 months in a year. 3 to 4 months in a year in New Zealand. Yes, the Lama, you can hear it. You can hear it cooking. Do you know what? You know when you cook sausages, like and like beef sausages, it's kind of giving that aroma off a bit. You know what I'm saying? Let's have a. You get me? I'm not gonna lie, they're looking good. Oh, I forgot to get the tomatoes for this salad. Let's pick the tomatoes for the salad. We've only managed to get 2. They're all still green, man. You get me? But yeah, we got 2. You can dash them in the salad, isn't it? Why I? Oh, let me correct myself. 3 to 4 weeks they only make this honey for. So it's very, very special and very expensive. Why I? Lama. No drama. Why I think the llama is ready, people. I think they are ready, so let me just put it in there. And there we go. Llama sausage. It's like it's a safari thing this season, people. Yeah, man. So let's cut this up a little bit and put some salad on a plate and have a taste. Why I? Season 5 safari style. Llama, you know. Yes, people. Llama and Caribbean salad. There you go. I'm really interested on how this is gonna taste. I mean, who even eats llama, blood? Who even eats llama? But you know, say on Cook and Vibe, we gotta try it first. So yeah, taste time. Why I? Don't forget to subscribe, people. Otherwise, you're gonna lose all your toenails. Yes, people, why I, man? Right, so it's the taste test. Here we go. Llama. That's really nice. Tastes like a kind of beefy sausage, like a kind of beefy sausage, but with an extra little flavour. Do you know what I'm saying? That's actually quite nice. That's better than zebra. I prefer llama to better than zebra. And the little chili that's in it, good kick. Really quite surprised. Anyway, salad. Let's taste the salad. 10-10. 10-10. Honestly, people, the hot sauce with the lemon, you don't need nothing else on the salad. It's got the nice flavour there, it's got a little kick to it. You know what I'm saying? Works really good with cucumber. Cucumber soaks it up nicely. You get me? So, you know how the thing works already? Big up section. And then I will see you next week for another episode of Cook and Vibe. Honestly. Hot sauce and lemon. Baddest thing. Llama. Why I? It's the big up section. Big up your nans, cousins, aunties, dogs, nephews, sisters, brother. Why I? The big up section. You done know. So this week's big up Ben Groves. Says the best way to kick off season 5 this season gonna be mad. Why I? You done know. Big up yourself, my G. And big up Jah Blessed. Yeah? That's the name on YouTube. Zebra on a shopping basket. You never fail to amaze me or make me laugh. Bless G. Respect and manners. You done know we really try and keep you entertained. Show up. I'll see you Wednesday, not Sunday. Why?